If you want to edit slow motion videos on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all, we can open the gallery. Now over here, we need to find our slow motion video. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. In order to adjust the slow motion video, we can press this button over here. And now we have the frame that is slowed down. We can also see that this line is moving a little bit slower once it reaches here. We can also pause the video by pressing this button here. In order to adjust the range of the slow motion, we can move these lines that are spaced out more than these, so that we can change the range of the slow motion. So we can make only a specific part of the video slowed down. Once you are done with the slow motion, with the edit, you can press this check in the bottom right corner, and there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!